So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. His name is Navneet Chandra Sharma. He is 52 years of age, and I was informed by the angel coach Abhipsa that the health issues Navneet was having is a gastric problem from 6 to 12 months, diabetes from more than 3 years, retinopathy recently started 1 month, leg pain 6 to 12 months, numbness 1 to 3 months, low energy 6 to 12 months, and he has lost 14 kgs, and all of this has been achieved in just 3 months. So I'll come to you, Navneet. How has been your journey? And congratulations for coming in the Hall of Fame. So over to you, Navneet. How has been your journey? And then I'll come to the angel coach, Abhipsa. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It is a special thanks to my coach and definitely to you. Without you, it was not possible. Actually, my journey started in the year 2022. So I came across your workshop and find it interesting and included some of your tips in my daily routine. So when I saw that there is improvement, so I went to join the silver course. So after silver membership, I gone through many books you had shared, and I found more interest and motivation in this field. And later on, in last November 2023, I attended that 2 days high workshop, and I was fascinated by that knowledge sharing. So I joined this gold program, gold membership, and my coach Abhipsa, she is a great person and very caring, concerned, and with our interaction, I developed a bond with her like my daughter. So, with her able guidance and experience, uh, definitely in the first week it was very challenging for me. I was thinking whether to continue with that or not, but she was very supportive and encouraged me. So after that 1 week, I never looked back. So I gave my 100% and I got full support from her. And now the result is actually it is fascinating. So the blood sugar which was more than 300, now without medicine it is in 160 to 190 range. So I am actually wondered. And moreover, the friends who are coming in my circle, they are also asking me what is the secret of your energy and your health. So I am actually referring them to your workshop. So
thank you so much.
It was a nice journey, and I will continue with the same zeal in the future also.
So nice, so nice. Thank you, Navneet, for sharing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, and thank you for being the follower. You 100% followed, and the results are in front of everyone. Thank you so much for this. I'll come to the coach Abhipsa. Abhipsa, if you can please unmute yourself and please share a few words about this journey about Navneet with you.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words about Navneet ji. Namaste, Navneet ji. I would like to say that he is also an electrical engineer, and he passed out from NIT Suratkal in 1933, and he have worked in different industries in L&T and other construction industries, and he in his service period he was in Odisha as well, covering Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka. He was in Odisha as well for shorter duration. And Navneet ji, he is a relaxed kind of person, very kind-hearted, very well-mannered, and he's a good listener and action taker.
That's the most important.
And when he took the gold membership, I remember that time his weight was 92 kg. And today I asked him, what is your current weight? He said it's 78 kg.
Amazing. Excellent job, Abhipsa. Excellent job, Navneet. You know, what a wonderful partnership.
Yes, and it's because of his dedication also. Not only credit goes to me, and your teachings also matter a lot. That is the first and foremost thing. In the onboarding call, he told me that Abhipsa ma'am, I want to add this numbness in my legs and diabetes is troubling me a lot. and I want to become healthy at the earliest possible time. And I am quite sure that within these 3 months, I will be out of this. Can you assure me this? I said, yes, you need to follow 3 things. First, you need to send me your post-prandial readings daily until I tell you to stop with that. And secondly, follow all the practices that I will suggest you to do. Thirdly, you should try not to get diverted from the diet plan that is being provided to you. Only these 3 things, if you will be able to do, then definitely you will be able to achieve your health goal within the stipulated time period, and even you will be able to change your entire lifestyle. And he did it, and it so happened that he have achieved his health goal. And he used to, he's a kind of research person, I have noticed. He used to ask me a lot of questions regarding naturopathy treatment related to elements and EMF protection. Whatever you deliver in the high workshop or different webinars, immediately a question will come from his end in the chat box. Abhipsha ma'am, how about this? I missed some part. Can you please explain me? Can you ask Vishal sir about this? So this thing was quite interesting. Even it also boosted me up, and he had taken allopathic medicines and supplements in the before coming to this treatment. And nowadays he's 100% out of medication as he's sick.
Wow. Amazing story. Everybody, please type MPTY. More power to you, Abhipsa and Navneet. Just the starting of the journey, Navneet. The ball is in your court, right? From now on, till we live, we want you to see healthy, right? Thank you so much. Amazing. Everybody, please type MPTY for Navneet and Abhipsa. Thank you so much.